Hello again, students. Let's do the Yoda Bro. The following quadratic function describes a ball being dropped. Here we go. H equals 16t. Uh-oh, typo. There should be a negative in here. Oh my goodness. It should be negative 16t. Oh, here we go. I might have to fix that one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right in Schoology, but I typed it wrong when I did the answers. I'm so sorry. Anyway, negative 16t squared plus 150. What is the initial height of the ball? So the C value is always the initial height. So basically what's going on, this ball is getting dropped from 150 feet. Okay, there was no throwing, it's just being dropped. So there's no BT value. So if there was like a number times t, that would be the initial velocity. Here we just have the initial height. There is no initial velocity. About how high above the ground would the ball be 1.5 seconds after it is dropped to the nearest tenth, to the nearest foot, so no tenth, so the nearest whole foot. So we basically plug in 1.5 per second. So t is going to equal 1.5. Plug that right into the equation, the function, the quadratic function. Let's do that over here. Negative 16, 1.5. Close the bracket, square it, then add 150. Do I have my calculator nearby? I don't even have my calculator ready. I'm so sorry. Negative 16, bracket 1.5, close the bracket, square it, plus 150 is 114. So 114 feet. So I don't think I have this as a question, but a bonus question could be at 1.5 seconds, how far has it fallen? Well, you started at 150 feet and you are now at 114 feet. So I think that means you have fallen, if you were the ball, you have fallen 36 feet. 36 feet. That's how far you would have fallen after 1.5 seconds. Okay, cool. Let me double check that. Yes, do a little quick subtraction here. And yes, that's correct. You have lost 36 feet. You have fallen. Okay, here we go. Where you started, where you're at, that's how far you've gone. Will the ball hit the ground by 3 seconds? So what we're looking for here, students, is 0. If you plug in a number and you get 0, that's the exact time it hits the ground, because when the height equals 0, that's when you have hit the ground. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug in 3 and see what we get. Negative 16 times 3 squared plus 150. Put that in my calculator, see what I get. Negative 16, bracket 3, close the bracket, square it, plus 150. It looks like, oh, it's close. Positive 6. So has it hit the ground? No. You still have 6 more feet to fall. So it's close. It's going to land maybe right after 3 seconds, 3.1, 3.2 for sure. But it's going to hit the ground a little after 3 seconds. But exactly at 3 seconds, no, it's close. It's at 6 feet. All right, so basically that's just some more gravity functions. We're plugging in numbers and using the formula. Make sure you use the square. The biggest mistake people make is they forget to use the square when they do negative 16 times squared. And that's about it. All right, see you in class.